What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Is M3Craft here, and today guys I'm doing an unboxing. I have not done one for ages. It's not that I didn't have the opportunity to actually do some unboxing, but I have been so focused in short videos on this channel, and as well some live streams. Even the gameplay walkthrough I have not managed to do one as well for a while. I was missing the introduction as I did just now. But I got the opportunity to review some stuff, as you can see as well on the thumbnail. Two products from FIFINE. So this is two gaming headsets. So this is the H3 gaming headset and the H9 gaming headset. When you look to the boxes, they look very similar. One of them I can see that has the RGB lights on the side, and this one not. The boxes, they are a little bit squished on the sides. I don't know what actually happened, but where the headsets, well, where these two boxes were, it was a bit squished, so I have no idea. From what I can read on the side of the box, so basically both of them, they are compatible with Mac, PC, the consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and one of them, that is the H3, you can connect as well with mobile devices, mobile phones or tablets, and if you have the 3.5mm connector. Otherwise you can always get the adapter for you to be able to play, to use it. So yeah, let's find out. In terms of prices, that I will leave as well on the description below, but the H3 is slightly cheaper than the H9, and of course it's some differences. And anyway, we will just look into the detail just shortly. So let's start the unboxing and see what is inside, and after I will do some tests to see which one to me is the best. And once again, actually I still even didn't mention, thank you so much for FIFINE that sent me those products for me to review. I really appreciate. I'm not getting paid for me to do this review in their favor. This is going to be my opinion. I just want to be clear before I start talking about more into the detail about this headset. So let's find out. Let's open. Okay guys, I'm going now to start with the H3 gaming headset, and after I will jump to the H9. So I'm going to show you the box a little bit more into the detail. Besides, of course, well, you can clearly see a bit squished, but anyway, if it doesn't affect what is inside, that's the most important. You can see that has the USB connection and the 3.5mm, so compatible with PC, Mac, game console, and multiple devices. Here on the side you can see Nintendo Switch, game console controller, a mobile player, PC, and Mac. On the side of this box, this is a detachable microphone, which is really handy, especially for those that would like to take their headset, for example, on the bus, and you can listen to music. Otherwise, you would have the microphone just hanging about. Adjustable headband, breathtaking RGB illumination, so that's that one over there, and a splitter cable accessory. So let's open the box. That is, it's from this side. What we have inside: the instruction manual, the user guide, and the headset itself. Okay, it comes. Oh, it's something here. That must be the cables, maybe. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, that is the splitter. So that's the splitter and the microphone, because I can see is the microphone and the splitter connector, the 3.5mm, and the headset. So the cable, FIFINE, for the volume, for the microphone, yeah, to mute and unmute, and the 3.5mm and the USB connector. I like this is actually aluminum. I like that. Really like that. And it looks like it is really comfy. Anyway, I will try them on shortly. But so basically this is what it comes inside the box. I'm curious to see how it looks like when it's on. So let's now get the H9. Okay, so now here we have the H9 headset, the gaming headset. This box is even worse than the other one, at least on this side. But anyway, the other one didn't have anything, nothing that I could see that was damaged. I'm going to show the box into the detail. So you can see USB plug and play, suitable for PC, Mac, and PS. This one is slightly different. So this one has the the volume adapter that it comes attached to the microphone, has the 7.1 virtual sound effect, mic volume reduction. So it's slightly different, and anyway the connection as well. The connection is just USB in comparison of the other one that was a 3.5 mil. So this one can be connected with PC, Mac, PS4, 5, and 5 Xbox. And I presume that is possible to play with the Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Oh, I think I was actually saying that both would be compatible with Nintendo Switch, but well, we will try. So this one is as well with the detachable microphone, locking adjustable headband, comfortable soft material, and cozy ear muffs. So let's open the box. The user guide that is basically very similar like the other one, but anyway, I'm not going through the instructions. This box here is slightly larger, so I presume because of course the controller. So inside the box, yeah, so that is just the cable itself. So USB, so the microphone, and the adapter that is the one that needs to be connected from the headset itself. And the headset, this one as well, it looks like it's metal. I think so that is metal, at least it looks like metal. And they look comfy. They definitely look comfy. The cord, the 3.5 mil cord, FIFINE. They look nice. They look really nice. And this one is lighter than the other one. This is definitely lighter. It's probably on the instructions like how much it weighs, but it's definitely lighter than the other one. Okay, so this is basically what is inside the box. So now I'm going to try them on, both of them. Okay guys, so I finally tested both of them. It was a few days after the first part of this video, and as you can see as well, the background changed slightly because I now have the Christmas tree next to me. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when the time comes, guys. Hope that you guys will have a lovely time with your family. So I'm going to put side by side both of them, trying to make them like to focus into the headsets. So this one here, the one on the left, is the H3, and the one on the right is the H9. The H3 is the one that has the RGB lights, and the H9 is the one that has the 7.1 adapter attached. So this one can be attached or untouched. But the thing is that if you disconnect the adapter, you only have the connection with 3.5 mil, and you don't have the 7.1 experience. The output when is with a 7.1 adapter will be just USB. With the H3 you will have the USB and the 3.5 mil jack. Both of them, the quality, they are really good. I have to say the quality build, the plastic, that the cups, the forks, that they are aluminium, the overall headset is really comfortable. I have to say that the H3 when you put them on, you probably will not notice, well, you will not hear much what is around you, because it somehow covers the ears and it will be kind of blending completely the sounds that they are around you, which is good for some people, but maybe not good for some other people. For me, I would prefer to actually listen something like small, a bit, to have a perception of the sound, just in case that someone might knock in a door or any other noises that you want to actually hear. Otherwise you will just completely lost yourself into the game. But anyway, some people prefer that way. I don't. The H9, you can hear a little bit more what is around you. So in this case, for that, I would choose the A9. But for me, because I'm a console user, I have to say that the H3, I'm more impressed because of the bass. The bass in comparison of this one, when connected just with a 3.5mm, is way stronger. And because 85% of the games that I play in this channel are PlayStation or Nintendo Switch, this is definitely my choice. After trying for a few hours, both of them, definitely this one wins in terms of the bass and overall for consoles. H9, if connected on PC, both of them, if connected on PC using the USB, are really good. This one will have the same sound experience that I have on a console when playing on PC, but I noticed that the H9, because of the 7.1 adapter, will definitely boost the sound. Because you can have a more feeling of that is like a 3D sound all around you. The other one, the H3, somehow it looks like that is more local, is a strong sound around you, definitely, but the 7.1, you can listen like even small, like if it's like an explosion when you are playing some shooting game, that is kind of like how far actually it is, if it's something that is closer to you or if it's actually really far away. So you can have that perception, if that makes sense. It's a shame that I can't actually give you a sample of the sound that it comes from both of them. For that I needed to put the microphone next to the headset, but the thing is, it's not the same experience. It's definitely, I tried and nah, it's not the same when you put them on and you actually experience all that sound. So yeah, guys, any questions, please leave a comment below. Those headsets will have the links on the description below, guys. Just check it out. And yeah, honestly, they are really good prices for both of them. The difference is very minimal. And as I said, I gave you my opinion which one, if you are a PC user or if you are a console user, which one probably you can opt, like you can choose, if that makes sense. But any comments, guys, leave a comment below. Anything that you would like to know more about these headsets, I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you like to follow me here, please push that red button below and push the bell for you to be notified all the time when I upload these kind of videos or when I'm going live. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Love you all. Peace out.